How are we feeling? Good? Awesome. Well, my name is Sukaina Hussein, and I'm a community organizer with Faith in the Valley. Can we hear for Faith in the Valley? That's right. So looking out today, I see the beauty and the diversity of the San Joaquin Valley. We know that we're represented through many different immigrant populations. And as a Muslim woman who's from Pakistan, and I'm also an immigrant, I'm proud to be a part of that community. And we know that the immigrant community is powerful. We are the fuel of California. Our families make up over 40% of the agricultural workforce that's responsible for the wealth of this state. Isn't that right? Yet our families are continually extracted from, they're continually exploited, and now they are continually and have been getting displaced. We face the threat of being torn apart, whether it's through deportation or incarceration, even though the industry in the Central Valley would collapse without us. So we've continually demanded from our local governments and elected officials that they promote policies that invest in our communities, not extract from them. In Fresno, as Socorro was saying, we demanded that the city council prioritize immigrant communities and invest in a legal defense fund. And unfortunately, the city council failed to make that investment. They demonstrated what they valued and the fact that they didn't value immigrant communities enough to invest in them. But did that stop us? Do you think that stopped us? No. We did not get stopped. Our communities in Fresno and throughout the Central Valley stepped up to fill that need. We are fortunate to have a partnership with the center at the Sierra Health Foundation, and now we have raised over $50,000 for a legal defense fund in Fresno County. That's right. We're going to be using this funding to provide legal representation, to keep families together, to build resilient and healthy communities, because we know the health of the valley depends on our families. And all of you are part of fights just like that. You've been taking on battles that are related to immigration, healthcare, and education, and you're becoming experts and you're continually taking action. At Faith in the Valley, we say we're one people with one fight. That means as a Muslim, my dignity and my freedom is tied to the dignity and freedom of my Latino brothers and sisters, is tied to my Black and African American brothers and sisters, is tied to the API community, the Jewish community, the Christian community, the Sikh community. All of us need to stand with each other. And when we talk about our Thai dignity and freedom, we're making a commitment not just to fight for the issues we care about personally, but to fight for each other as well. So in the encouragement you've heard today, we talked about making a commitment to get out to vote, making sure our families are voting. Earlier, America shared a number with you, but I'm going to share one more tool before I leave. This tool is going to stay with you in your cell phones. So let's see those cell phones. We all have our cell phones, right? You're going to put a number in your cell phones that you can use to call your state officials and all of your federal elected officials every time there's a policy, an opportunity, and a chance for us to make our voices heard. Because we come here, we come to the Capitol, and we speak to them, but we don't get to do that every single day. We're going to try to do it more and more. But every day you can make a phone call. So here's the number. I'm going to put it up for you right here. 844-872-0234. Save this number in your phone, and you will have a tool to walk away with today so that you can call tonight. You can call on the bus on the ride home. You can call tomorrow and every day of the year to continue to push for change and demand that our elected officials represent us. I'm going to close out with our Faith in the Valley chant. I'm going to say one people, you say one fight. One people. One people. One people. All right, thank you.